How to make your Instagram account private. Making your Instagram account private is quick and easy, and all you need to do is follow these three simple steps. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talk. So first thing first, open Instagram on your device. Now go to your profile by tapping on this profile icon located on bottom right hand side of your screen, and then tap on this hamburger icon. Now if you scroll down a bit, you will find this option called account privacy, so tap on it. And then here on top right and top of your screen you will see this option called private account. So all you need to do is enable this. Just a quick reminder, to switch a private account, your Instagram account must be personal account, not creator. If you are into creator account, your account can't be private, so you will have to switch it to personal account. So here tap and switch to private. So here you can see, as I have my profile switched into creator mode, it can't be private. So all you need to do is simply switch it back to professional profile, and then you can enable this private account feature. So this is how you can create an account private on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.